Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Toyota Autos. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about SUVs of 2025, the Toyota Grand Highlander. This vehicle combines luxury, practicality, and cutting-edge technology, making it a standout option in the competitive SUV market. Whether you're looking for family-friendly features, advanced safety tech, or a stylish design, the Grand Highlander checks all the boxes. Let's take an in-depth look at what makes this SUV a must-have for 2025. The 2025 Grand Highlander boasts a striking exterior design that perfectly balances elegance and toughness. Its bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines make a strong visual statement. The extended wheelbase enhances its presence on the road while providing extra interior space. The 20-inch alloy wheels and optional two-tone roof further elevate its premium aesthetic. With 8 vibrant color options, you can choose a style that matches your personality. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious cabin designed with both comfort and functionality in mind. The Grand Highlander can seat up to 8 passengers, with ample legroom in all 3 rows. Toyota has used high-quality materials throughout, including soft touch surfaces and available leather upholstery. The panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel to the cabin, while the tri-zone climate control ensures everyone stays comfortable. The cargo space is equally impressive, offering up to 97.5 cubic feet of storage with the rear seats folded down. On the tech front, the 2025 Grand Highlander is loaded with features to keep you connected and entertained. The centerpiece is a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. The optional 11-speaker JBL audio system delivers crystal-clear sound, perfect for road trips. Additional tech highlights include a digital rearview mirror, a wireless charging pad, and multiple USB ports across all rows. Plus, the Grand Highlander now offers over-the-air updates to keep your system running smoothly. Under the hood, the Grand Highlander offers 3 powertrain options to suit different driving needs. The base model features a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 265 horsepower and excellent fuel efficiency. For those seeking more power, there's a hybrid option that combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors for a total output of 362 horsepower. If you need serious towing capability, the plug-in hybrid model can tow up to 6,000 pounds while offering an electric-only range of up to 40 miles. All powertrains are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and come with the option of all-wheel drive for enhanced traction. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the Grand Highlander is no exception. It comes equipped with the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. New for 2025 is the inclusion of proactive driving assist, which uses AI to provide subtle steering and braking support during challenging conditions. The SUV also scored a 5-star rating in crash tests, making it one of the safest options in its class. When it comes to pricing, the Grand Highlander starts at $44,000 for the base model and goes up to $58,000 for the fully loaded Platinum trim. While it's not the cheapest SUV on the market, the extensive list of features and Toyota's reputation for reliability make it a worthwhile investment. There's also an optional subscription for connected services, which provides features like remote start, vehicle tracking, and concierge services. In summary, the 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander is a game-changer in the SUV segment. It combines style, comfort, and advanced technology to deliver an exceptional driving experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading off on an adventure, this SUV is ready for anything. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Toyota Autos for more reviews and updates on the latest cars. See you in the next video.